Alright, hello guys. So this is my Audi A4 2-litre TDI BRD engine called 170 horsepower. I've had lots of problems with this car, been fixing them all. Now I got some metallic noise, strange noise. I don't know what to do anymore. My head, I keep on thinking about this. This car's been a nightmare lately, so I'm gonna give you a hint of the engine noise with the hood open. See if anyone can help me. Até amanhã. Tá bem, lá estamos. Obrigado, até amanhã. There's this noise that I don't know what it is, but it sounds very bad, especially from the exhaust side on the airbox. I really need help with this because I don't know, I don't trust any mechanic because I don't know what to tell them when I go with the car, but I know something is not right with this 2-litre TDIs. I mean, I don't know what to do. If someone can really help me, I'll be really appreciated. I've changed numbers of things on this car. I've changed the oil pump, gear, the X key. I've changed it. I've changed the injectors and the wiring loom. I've changed so many stuff. I don't know what to do anymore. If someone can really give me an idea what the problem is, I'll be really appreciated. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.